Before exposing your shiny new Fix API and onboarding process to customers, it's always a good idea to give it a test run. We're not talking about some technical QA or desk-based review here. We're talking about a complete dry run of the end-to-end process and experience from a customer perspective. You shouldn't mark your own homework, of course, so this would ideally be completed by an independent third party. If you haven't checked out my video on Fix Appraisal yet, then that is exactly what I mean. In a nutshell, we go through the onboarding process through the eyes of a customer and give you a detailed report with candid feedback and recommendations on how to improve. The process would include the whole onboarding process, from the emails you send, making a network connection, the documentation you provide, and through to conformance testing. We pinpoint information which is unclear or confusing, suggest process improvements, and confirm at a technical level that your API behaves in the way that your documentation says it does. Now you might be thinking, hang on Chris, why don't we just ask our first couple of customers to give us this feedback? Well, we see this quite often, and unfortunately it rarely seems to work the way they hope. The main reason is that customers simply aren't set up to give feedback like this. Your business contact won't know the detail, and people rarely have time to fill out questionnaires or answer detailed questions. And so typically you only get the inactionable feedback, the stuff that you already know, which is why using a specialist is so valuable. Once any required rework has been completed, your Fix API is ready to go. From here, you can start onboarding customers. This is, of course, not the end of this journey. It's not something that gets done once and doesn't get touched again. The process gets tweaked and fine-tuned over time. We recommend a Fix appraisal every 6 or 12 months to ensure continued improvement. Also, check out our other videos to learn more about how to take your Fix API, automation, and your tooling to the next level. Hope to see you then.